Colorado Family Travels back with another something a little different here. We're going to be opening a box of the 2022 AEW Upper Deck trading cards. So we'll see what we get in here, if there's any cool cards. There's a couple on my list that I'm looking for, as this is my first box and first set of cards for AEW, the 2022 set. So we'll see what kind of fun things we get in here. Again, I did get this box at Target. There is 8 cards per pack and 8 packs per box in here. We'll have 8 packs of cards to open today. Open on the side here. Put that over to the side. 8 packs of cards. CM Punk is featured on here. He is no longer with AEW, but he's featured. So we'll see what we get. Any special cards. Lots of different inserts and parallels for the AEW sets. Alright, a Sting card. Dr. Britt Baker, my first special insert here, Jurassic Express Gold, Jungle Boy and Luchasaurus. My next first one, a UD Canvas, Jamie Hayter. Nice card. Debut dates of Paul White. Would like to see Captain Encino come back. They brought him back for one bit. A Miro card. Adam Cole and Lee Johnson. So the Jamie Hayter and the Jurassic Express, good hits on that pack. Next up, opening these upside down, sorry. Hangman Adam Page. Rick Knox. Special referee there. John Moxley. Absolutely love Mox. His entrance coming through the crowd. Ooh, got a gold bunny. Ooh, and a special silver Keith Lee. Nice reflecting silver Keith Lee. I like that one. A main event insert Thunder Rosa. Very cool there. Tag team Young Bucks card. I like that one. That's who I was thinking of. The referee Knox is Young Bucks is special. And a Christian Cage. Good card there. We'll put that over here. Moving on to pack number 3. I'm liking it so far. I like all the inserts. Gives you something fun to look forward to. Hard to collect the full set with all the inserts, but never know what you're gonna get. Best Friends Chuck Taylor. The Murder Hawk Lance Archer. I like Lance Archer. Oh, here is a gold insert for Sean Spears. Put him over here. Powerhouse Hobbs main feature. Outside the Ring Tony Schiavone special insert set. Got the Blade. Got a regular Keith Lee to go with my silver. And then a Jade Cargill, still undefeated at this time. I did actually just go to an AEW event the other day, December 29th, here in Colorado. They were up at the First Bank Center. Got to see a lot of the AEW stars. It's a great night. It was the filming of the New Year's Eve shows, so we got to see a bunch of different New Year's Eve shows. That was really cool. And really good to see AEW in Colorado. They said they'd come back, and I'll definitely go back when they do. So great to see AEW live. That was a fun event. Ruby Soho. Rue Beaver. Dante Martin. And then a Ricky Starks card. Ricky Starks is going to be big this year for sure. A gold insert, Andre El Herido. I'll put that with the golds. Ooh, Silver Jade Cargill. Silver Jade, that's nice. I'll put that up here with Keith Lee. Main features Red Velvet. A Matt Sydal. And the Butcher to match my blade earlier. So as of right now, I don't have any duplicates that I've seen yet. So back here. Let's see, doing really good so far. Got a lot of good ones. Excited about that. Anna J. Got a Vicky Guerrero, excuse me. A gold Alex Reynolds. Oh, let's put that there. MJF main features. MJF on that one like that. Main features gold. Matt Jackson. Nice. Griff Garrison. A regular Matt Jackson. And then Santana Ortiz, regular tag team. Eddie Kingston. A gold Taz. Something. This is a Jake Hager matte insert. That's a nice hit. So we've got a piece of the matte there. Nice thick card. Jake Hager. Nice history there. So that's a really good hit. An Ortiz outside of the ring card. And Red Velvet. So that Jake Hager card, that's a nice hit. I like that's really thick, so we'll figure out how to store those. I would say that's probably going to be the biggest hit I get in this box is that Jake Hager card. Very nice. All right, we see a green insert in here, so we got a Matt Hardy. Tag team FTR, great tag team. Best friends Trent Beretta. A gold Paul White. The green insert is of Taz. I like those green inserts, those are cool. A Max Caster blue. Manager coach card for Tully Blanchard. And an Anthony Bowens card. So nice one there. We are down to our last pack, and honestly, I don't think I've got any, if not very many, duplicates. So that's really nice. You open cards and get a lot of duplicates sometimes. So very nice. And in this last pack, Chris Statlander, very nice one. Darby Allin. Gold Ray Phoenix, very cool. A UD canvas for Dustin Rhodes, that's very nice, I like that. Where'd I have my canvas ones? Over here. Ruby Soho main feature. Kenny Omega. Chris Jericho. The last card, Sammy Guevara card, silver. So nice run. Getting I'll look through, but not very many duplicates. Definitely, I think the best one is the nice thick matte Jake Hager. Nice thick card. So figure out how to store that one. That's got a nice thick edge on it. But very nice card. And then the UD canvases, Jamie Hayter and Dustin Rhodes. Love those. Two nice cards there. But good set. So that again is the AEW 2022 Upper Deck set. And I think I got some nice ones out of there. So hope you enjoyed the opening of the AEW 2022 Upper Deck. If you want to see more of these, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to go out and buy more sports cards. That'll be it for today. Thank you for watching, everybody. And now for us, it's back to the rat race.